Hey y'all, I recently took a trip to Atlanta, Georgia, and I stayed in the Crowne Plaza Hotel Ravinia in Dunwoody, which is just north of the city, outside of the 285 loop, or the perimeter, as they call it there. And I just wanted to give you a little tour of the room that I stayed in, which was number 401, which is connected to a suite. Now, the suite next door, which we shared with a friend, has a private bedroom with a king size bed in it and a private ensuite bathroom. And then it has a living area, a couch, and a table with lots of chairs to sit in and eat or whatever you're doing. And then it has a little kitchenette area as well with a microwave, some shelving underneath, and a sink and a full size fridge. And then it also has a half bath with a toilet and a sink for the public area. Now, I didn't get a video of the suite area simply because it was already occupied when I got there and we had stuff everywhere. So I didn't get a picture or a video of that. I'm sorry for that. And I can't remember the exact price of the room that we stayed in. I'll put it on the screen here so that you can see what a per night rate is on average for this hotel in Atlanta. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. I'm glad you're here, and I hope this video helped you out. I'm Ashley, and this is All Bodies Travel, a channel all about traveling from everything from road trips to cruise ships, and here we go with this room tour. I'm in room 403 at the Crowne Plaza Ravinia in Dunwoody, Georgia, and near Atlanta, and I'm going to do a quick room tour. So here is the door with all your information on it. This does connect to the suite next door. That is 401. We have our full-length mirror here. And then this room has two beds, two queen beds, chair and table in between, reading light above both sides of the bed. Lots of plugs by the bed, as you can see. We've got 3 plugs and 2 USB on both sides, so that's nice. The chair is not that comfortable, but it's a chair with a table, so you can eat a meal in here. And then over here, we have the TV, a dresser. This little ledge is nice for putting drinks on. Desk, mirror, lamp, telephone. Outside, we have a pretty view. This is the afternoon view, so the sun is not coming in right now, so that's nice. We have another chair and a footstool. I don't know what that is right there, but light above that, thermostat here, and it's dark. So let's look at this little alcove, if the light will come on. Oh, there we go. So we have more drawers here, just empty. Little fridge cooler thing. K-cup coffee maker, ice bucket. Closet is here with the safe down there, ironing board and iron. And then the bathroom. Bathroom is a pretty standard bathroom. Big mirror. Soap and lotion over here. Kleenex, plenty of towels. Check the shower. They have their products in there as well. So that's it. So I hope that was helpful for you and useful for maybe an upcoming trip you have to go to Atlanta. I will say that the regular rooms, the non-suite rooms, the non-connected to suite rooms are basically your standard hotel rooms. They're smaller than the ones that that I was in, and they don't have the big seat. I believe they do have a small chair, but they don't have the 1.5 seater, and a table that was between the beds in the room in 401. 403. It was 403. And I will note that, like most hotels, this is built in a stack. So if you're in 403, 503, 703, etc., they're all the same type. As well as across the hall in the O2 room. So 402 is just a mirror image of 403. I've stayed in a room like 402 before. The only difference is it faces the morning sun or the afternoon sun. It faces the sun at some point during the day, and it can get really hot if you don't close the curtains in that room. I also want to talk about the restaurant downstairs. It was pretty good. The breakfast is a little pricey for what it is. It was $20 plus tips, so $25 is what I ended up paying every morning, which is a lot of money for scrambled eggs, sausage, bacon, potatoes, and then some kind of bready breakfast treat like pancakes, waffles, or French toast. So keep that in mind when you go. It may be cheaper to run down the road to McDonald's if you're into fast food, if you're okay with fast food, or to bring your own bagels and schmear if that's what you like. I do like a heartier breakfast, so that's why I went downstairs. And I didn't want to leave the hotel because the parking deck was really full and I didn't want to lose my spot even at 7 or 8 in the morning. There is parking available at this hotel. The garage is very small. Well, it's short is what I mean, and tight, like most parking garages, I guess. It is a fee. I'll put the fee here, so that you can see what it is per day. And there's also valet parking available, which the fee is here. The smoking area is on the side of the hotel. It is not in front of the hotel. They used to have it in front of the hotel, but I suspect they got complaints about the smoke coming in front of the doors and hitting people who were coming in and out. So they did move the smoking area around the side of the hotel. The shuttle runs within 2 or 3 miles. I heard both for this weekend. So 2 or 3 mile radius of the hotel. So if you want to go across the street to the mall to get some food, then you can use the shuttle to do that. There's also a MARTA station fairly close to the hotel. I think it's less than half a mile away. However, it is all uphill on the way to the hotel, and there is a shuttle that runs both in the business park that the hotel is in, as well as the hotel shuttle. Both will be able to pick you up and take you to the hotel. So you don't have to walk, especially if you have a lot of luggage or if you have mobility issues again. It's a good option to grab the shuttle. So the hotel also has a coffee shop in the on the first floor of the hotel, in the lobby area. In the morning, they sell breakfast, bottled drinks, and pastries. In the evening, there is a bar right there, so they serve alcoholic drinks or mocktails or soda or whatever you drink. I don't know if they serve food. They did last year, but I'm not sure if they still do this year. Overall, I found the hotel very accommodating, very friendly. The restaurant downstairs changed their lunch and dinner menu to be on theme with the conference that I was attending called JordanCon. Overall, the hotel was accommodating. They were responsive when we said we needed trash emptied or new towels or our room turned over, stuff like that. I really have no complaints about the hotel. They did a great job. Well, that is all I can think of to say about the Crowne Ravinia. If you have any questions about the Crowne Ravinia, let me know in the comments down below, and I will get back to you with either personal experience or an answer from the website. I will also link the hotel in the description below. Obviously not affiliated, not sponsored. So, well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.